Hey, it's me, Sasha, again with Screen Innovations. And yes, I know, we're Screen Innovations, so what am I doing here standing next to a shade? As it turns out, we're also making some pretty cool shading solutions. Here, as our very first reveal, we're seeing our brand new outdoor shading solution, Zen 2. There were a couple things we wanted to do. Number one, let's make sure it looks incredible. Oh, take a look, beautiful, clean angles. In fact, very reminiscent of our indoor shade lineup. More on that in a second. Powder coated to your heart's content. We can get it primed, so that way you can choose the color that you want. So it looks beautiful, but most importantly, we got to make sure this is really easy to install. Now, for those of you that have installed outdoor shades before, you're either going to be really happy or really angry about what you're about to hear because of how incredibly simple it is. Here are the steps. Step one, install the bracket. Great. Step two, you take the cassette and you hook it onto the bracket like so. It could now support 500 pounds. Then you take the tube with one other lucky individual and push it up from the top. It locks in. Ta-da! You're done. It will probably take you longer to transport the shade from A to B than it will to mount it. It looks great, easy to install. You'll absolutely love it.
The most important thing that he's not mentioning here, guys, is attention to detail. This is a very, very specific product. I mean, your measurements have to be very precise. So if you are looking at this product, reach out and utilize our free design service, guys. Our audio video consultants would love the opportunity to learn your business and find the exact shade that fits your application and needs. Now, I noticed there's two different options here in the outdoor shades. Can you run me through the differences here? My guess is that we're talking about somebody who doesn't want to do like a fascia built out of wood versus somebody who does. Is that right?
Absolutely. And really, there is no right or wrong. That's why we want to have a solution for everyone. So if you do want to have the box, by all means, this is perfect to mount on the inside of the patio or the outside of the patio and showcase a bit of flair. But if you're a little more bashful, maybe a bit more minimalistic, we also have the Zen roll, which effectively, you can see the beautiful end caps, again, 100% powder coated, all done in Austin, Texas, in-house. So effectively, whether you want the box or the roll, whether you want to expand the square footage of your home with these beautiful, yes, also powder-coated track system, whether you need some basic privacy, there is no better way to do that and give yourself more livable space than with our outdoor shades, and I know you're going to love it.
Now, one last thing, and I'll do the end here. Now, on these particular shades, you guys are wondering, how do I control them?
Yes.
Right? That's important.
Yes.
As an audio video company, we want it to be easy to operate. And Screen Innovations has this figured out with many different solutions available. Can you give them a rundown real quick?
Oh, I would love nothing more. So of course things have to look good, they have to be easy to install, but you got to be able to operate it. So you want some wireless operation? We can do that for you. You want to do hardwired integration with your control system? We can do that. You want to get a bit of a workout using that hand crank manually? By all means, you do you. But effectively, no matter what kind of communication you have, we're going to have the right solution to make every job the perfect job.